Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to Blessed and Beautiful Blended. If you are new, my name is Lachey, and I am the mother of 7 beautiful, handsome, intelligent children. If you'd like to meet them, come on over and subscribe and check us out. So today I'm going to be making corned beef and cabbage. This is one of my children's favorites. Here I'm showing you one of the ways I cut a cabbage. The next cabbage, I'll be showing you another way that you can cut it, just in case, maybe you don't know how to cut or don't know if you're cutting it right, which there is no right or wrong way. People just like to get other people's ways of how to cut it, see if it's easier for them, less time consuming, etc., etc. I'm going to stop blabbing for a minute, let you listen to this beautiful music I got for you in the back room, and let me know if you enjoy the video.
Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feel it when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. I left my heart in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. Shopping the girl, I brought a girl on my Vespa. She said I already told ya, yeah. I never dated a black guy. I said you're brown yourself. Let me offer help. Come on inside, where everybody knows your name. Everybody knows your name. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feel it when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. I left my heart in Stockholm.
Alright, right here I am washing my cabbage. You want to make sure you wash your cabbage for several reasons. Whatever it is that they put on it when it's growing, because people are handling it when they're in the store. Most times I even take off the first couple of leaves, but always make sure I wash it. In a second here, I'm going to just turn the camera off and get where I can wash it with both hands, because the angle I was trying to get for you guys, it was a little bit awkward, but I'm going to get in it with both hands and just give it a good rinse as you would any fruit or vegetable.
Sunlight that always stays in and by the waterway. It's that sweet life, sweet life, sweet life. I never wanna go home, go home. I'm living in Stockholm, Stockholm. I never wanna go home, go home. I'm living in Stockholm, Stockholm. I never wanna go home, go home. I'm living in Stockholm, Stockholm. Yeah. Shut up, I got the bed, the body. Never get good, never get good,
Thought that I'd be healing now. I didn't think I'd have to feel this now. I thought I would've moved on, but somehow the feeling's still strong. Like I'll be on my way out, thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind, thinking I was done now. But I guess I'll never be tired of you.
Now we're gonna rinse our rice. You see how the water started out cloudy. I did skip a little bit because this takes a while. You're gonna have to rinse it a couple times, guys. Like I think this is maybe the third or fourth rinse. I just like to get the water not so cloudy. Like I said, if you want to run it back just a little bit, see how cloudy it started out. I'm about finished here, but yeah, make sure you wash your rice.
I might thinking I was done now, but I guess I'll never be tired of you, of you, of you. So tell me why I get this feeling now. Oh, tell me why I get this feeling now. Been a couple years that I'll be healing now. Been a couple years thought that I'll be healing now. I really didn't think I'd have to feel this now.
Alright, you want to get your cabbage not all the way done, but you know, almost halfway there. And now we're going to be opening the corned beef. I did open it on camera just in case someone wasn't sure about how to open it, which is, you know, pretty easy. Next, you're going to see Dayana open one. This is her now. Or now. Oh, there we go. There's Dayana. And then Demarion is going to open one as well. They just wanted to help out. So, yeah, that's them opening up the corned beef. You're just going to drop it in there, and in a little bit, you'll see me break it up a little bit, and you get it all up in there. This part with the corned beef is a personal preference. You can put about the same to the cabbage, or you can put more or less. They did end up... Oh, it's okay. That's the baby. They did end up putting all 4 cans in there, which I wasn't initially going to do, but it turned out really good, and no crumbs were left, so they ate it all up. So, like I said, it's a personal preference.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak, it don't make sense now. Give it a good, yeah. Put that on good when they...
Alright, now it's getting about mixed up to my likings. I got it all kind of chopped up and, you know, mixed and mingled up in there. If you saw the rice, I didn't really do too much messing with. I fluffed it up a little bit, drained it. Oh, I'm about to fluff it up now and drain it. And then that's it. You don't want to play in your rice too much because it'll get gummy. Now you see I put some cornbread muffins with it, plated it up. All right, and that's our meal. You can put your little bit of hot sauce in it if you like, or you could just eat it just as is. But yep, quick, simple, and real filling meal. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it out if you can, because it helps our channel. Thank you for watching, and as always, be blessed.